Hi, it's Hard Reset and today I'll show you how to fix speaker on REALME 11 Pro Plus. So first, check the volume level in settings. Here, then sounds and vibration, and make sure that none of these options are muted. Then clean the speaker grill with a soft brush that is right here on bottom of your phone. Remember to not use any metallic tools. Then unlock your phone once again and disable the Bluetooth to rule out any connected devices. And if still nothing is working, then restart your phone. Thanks for watching, don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.